guys, we are on story time number 12, and it's going to be on the 2017 gray Chevy Camaro, and the time the client brought it back in an accident.
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything is...
What is up, Innovation family? How's everybody doing today? It's me, Brandon, your friend, your neighbor, your host with Innovation Property Atlanta, back with another video. As always, guys, just the regular admin stuff. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and show me some love by tapping that notification button so that you're tuned in for the next video that comes out from Innovation Property Atlanta. Today, guys, we are on story time number 12. And it's going to be on the 2017 gray Chevy Camaro, and the time the client brought it back in an accident. So this story, guys, happened about 4 or 5 months ago, where the gentleman rented the vehicle. It was an airport drop-off. Nice guy, by the way. Airport drop-off, was just in town for one day. And I'm sure I talked about this before in my previous video, but I figure I'll make it a story time to give more detail. Gentleman rented the vehicle for one day, actually. He was in town from like a Friday to Saturday, I believe the dates were. So he rented the Camaro. We dropped to him off in time, no problem. Again, ID checked out. All the Turo processes were followed. Gentleman never called me the day he had the vehicle at all. Next day, comes to the airport. Well, he hits me up when he drops the car off at the airport to let me know the car was in a car accident. It was hit by, air quote, a deer, AKA it wasn't a deer. It was more like a tree, or he wrapped into a pole. I don't know what he hit, but it wasn't a deer. Now, it is possible that you can get your car damaged from like a deer or animal or some type of vandalism. In this case, though, it looks like, and then again, I don't want to speculate or assume, could have had one or too many cocktails, good time in Atlanta, and he hit something, whether that be a pole or a fire hydrant or whatever. But he caused a lot of damage to the gray Camaro. Nice guy, got to the airport, told me, Brandon, by the way, it's parked, blah, 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 but also I hit something, I hit a deer and it caused damage. Told him to upload the picture to the app, thank you, and went from there. Got to the airport, looked at the vehicle, and I said, oh my gosh, this man caused some serious damage. So, and at this point in the game, guys, as you guys know, me having over 3,000 rentals, I'm kind of used to all the ups and downs of the Turo game. It's just the timing just stinks when you got to deal with accidents and body shops and all that. So it's just time consuming. So in this case, I went ahead and filed a claim with Turo, just to be on the safe side. But he actually wanted to go through his own personal insurance. So we went ahead and went through his insurance, which in this case, he had Geico, I believe. And I went ahead and filed a claim with Geico also. So I had used Turo as a backup in case Geico fell through. So long story short, Geico went ahead and paid out for the claim. I don't remember the exact payout for it. I think it was maybe $5,000 because of the damage. So they paid out for the claim like a week or two later. I went ahead and got it fixed. And it got back, on the platform within a matter of, 2-3 weeks after the accident. So I'm sharing these stories and this story with you guys so that you guys are prepared for the ups and downs and the good and bad with Turo. To have, as I always say, have your vendors lined up with who you use, your body shops, your oil change shops, tire shops, glass vendor, your key guy. All that has to be in place to have your systems already lined up for you to have a successful business. Because what if you had 1 or 2 cars and your car was down because, it's in the body shop for 2 or 3 months, which is actually pretty common right now because of the shortage of supplies that a lot of body shops are experiencing also too. So it's important, have your body shop guy on speed dial, guys. This Turo game is vicious. It has no room for the weak, and you gotta take the emotion out of it to know that you gotta get your car fixed, get it back up on the Turo platform, and get it ready for when these things happen. So hope you guys have a good day. That was story time number 12. Take it easy.
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. you know.